Hello, my name is Jacob and I'm going to show you the Lego Movie Lego. It's the trash chomper. There's 2 in 1 and the number is 70805. I'm going to show you the back. It can turn into a garbage truck or a machine. The garbage truck back can open and close, and the top can go up and down, and the mouth can open and close here. And I can't wait to open this baby up. Shall we open this up? 1 bag, 2 bags, 3 bags, and 4 bags. And some instructions. And some stickers. This is Gordon Zola. This is Garbage Man's dad. This is Garbage Man Grant. The micro robot. I like it because the arms can move and it can fly, has guns. Look. Ah! And you can slip it back in. All the instructions for the micro robot is here. The trash chomper. It has some garbage cans at the back, and if you pull and push this lever, it will make the mouth open and close. You can open the top and put somebody in. And watch this. You can make it into a normal garbage truck or the trash chomper. I hope you enjoyed it, and it's my first review. Thanks, bye!